Hello dear students, this is your SST class and I am your teacher Shipra, going to continue chapter 8 of your civics part, that is Indian heritage and culture. This is part 2 of this chapter. We have already discussed architecture, literature and languages in our previous part. So our today's first topic is painting. Thousands of years ago, cave dwellers in India painted on cave walls to express themselves. So, we're talking about the ancient time. At that time, cave dwellers are the people who used to live in caves. They painted the cave walls only for expressing themselves, to express their thoughts or what they want to express or they want to say to other person. They used to draw that or they used to paint that on the cave walls. Okay. Later, during the medieval period, fine miniature paintings were painted. Miniature paintings were the paintings which were much smaller than the normal paintings. Normal paintings से छोटी होती थी वो size में, but they were highly detailed. काफ़ी detailed होती थी, informative होती थी. In the modern period of Indian history, many other painting styles developed. Modern style paintings like abstract painting or the pop art. Okay. Some of the well-known painters of the period are Raja Ravi Verma, Avendranath Tagore and Amrita Shergill. Our next topic is music. For classical music of India, we have two types of forms, that is Hindustani and Carnatic music. Instruments such as tabla, sitar, flute and sarod are used while playing classical music. इन सभी instruments को use किया जाता है classical music play करने के लिए. India also has a rich tradition of regional music that includes tribal and folk music. So regional music is the music of a particular place. Okay, उसी particular region का जो music होता है उसे हम regional music कहते हैं. That includes tribal and folk music. Folk music is the music which is not sung by the professional person, but it is sung by the ordinary people. Okay, folk music is played while celebrating the harvest or major events in life such as birth and marriage. That means folk music is played when people want to celebrate birth anniversaries or the marriage anniversaries or the major events in life. Some forms of regional music are Lotiya of Rajasthan, Rasiya Geet of Uttar Pradesh, Mando of Goa and Amanaivari of Tamil Nadu. You can also have a look at the pictures given, tabla, dholak and tanpura. These are the instruments which were used or which are used to play classical music. Next we have dances. Classical dances of India follow the laws of dance laid down in an ancient book called the Natya Shastra or the Nritya Shastra. So 7 major classical dance styles of India are, you must have heard about them, Bharatanatyam form, that is from Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, Kathakali, a classical dance drama form from Kerala, Manipuri from Manipur, Kathak from Uttar Pradesh, our own state, Odissi from Odisha, Kuchipudi from Andhra Pradesh and Satariya from Assam. Other than these, we have many folk dances from different parts of the country. Again, people used to do folk dance when they are happy or when they have to or they want to celebrate happenings in daily life. जब उनको खुशी होती थी when they are happy, they used to do folk dances. Some of them are Gidda and Bhangra from Punjab, Garba and Dandiya Ras from Gujarat, Ghumar and Nautanki from Rajasthan. I hope you have understood these 3 topics. Thank you and have a nice day.